Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who That Teacher, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It is called No Parking on the Dance Floor, a friendly two-wall dance for beginners, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is instructional. If you want to dance along to the music, please watch till the end and let's go. So we're going to stand on this side of the room right here. And the dance starts with roll to the right, roll to the left. Right, tap left, right, tap right. Easy. So instructors, this dance, I would just call out. You can easily call this dance out for beginners, or you can easily just break it down real quickly for beginners, the ones that are just coming in your class, because it's a 32 count, two wall dance, okay? That's teaching them a quarter turn, teaching them a pivot half turn twice, and the Lindy with a half turn back. So they're picking up different skills and line dance terminology in this dance, okay? So 2 rolls to the right, 2 rolls to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Real easy. Now right here, we do a little footwork, which is 12, 3, quarter turn right, left, right, and 3, 12, left, right, left. So you're doing a quarter turn to your right and back to a quarter turn to your left. 12, 3, quarter turn, right, 3, 12, left, point, tap, quarter, right, left, point, tap, and left. Okay, so let's put that together. So far, we still at this wall. You're doing 2 rolls to the right and 2 rolls to the left. And then a point tap with a quarter turn to your right, left, up point, tap, side tap with a quarter turn back to the left, right, left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, point, 1, 2, quarter, 3, and 4, quarter, point, 5, 6, turn, 7, and 8. Making sure you do that footwork with the triple step. From here, we're doing a step pivot half on that right. Step right, pivot half. Step right, pivot half. So that's 2 half turns, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming back to this wall. All right, so let's put it together. Roll to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Point tap. 1, 2, quarter, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, quarter, 7, and 8. Pivot. 1, 2, pivot, 3, 4. We're going to roll right, 5, 6, roll left, 7, and 8. All right, so we got one more 8 count. That was 3 8 counts. All right, so let's count it again. 5, 6, from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 1 count. Point tap. 1, 2, quarter, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, quarter, 7, and 8. That's our second 8 count. We're going to step pivot half twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's our third 8 count. It's a 32 count dance. So we have one more 8 count. It's a 2 wall. So our last 8 count is going to get us to that second wall. We're going to do a Lindy with a rock back recover. Right, left, back, recover. Then go to your left, right, and turn, half turn, right, left, with our right shoulder coming back. So that's how we get to our second wall, doing the Lindy. 1 and 2, 3, 4, shuffle to the left, 5 and 6, half, 7, 8. So that second Lindy you do 1 and 2, 3, 4. When you Lindy to the left, 5 and 6, turn on 7, 8 with the right shoulder coming back. That's the end of the dance. And that's how you get to your second walk. So let's do that, Lindy, again. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, rock, back, recover, left, right, left, turn, right, left. And this is our second wall right here, and we start the dance over. So since we're here, let's go back to the top. That's it. Roll to the right for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8 points. 1, 2, quarter, 3 and 4.5. Turn 6, 7, and 8. Pivot 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy 1 and 2. Back 3, 4. Left 5 and 6. Half 7, 8. Stepping around on 7, 8. Don't spin around, step right, left. Okay, so let's put it together, doing it at the front and the back wall, okay? The music is upbeat, so I encourage you to make smaller steps so you can get to the next step, okay? So it's up tempo. 5, 6, 7, roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, point. 1, 2, turn 3 and 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8, pivot 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, Lindy 1 and 2, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7 from the top, roll 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8 point. 1, 2, 3 and 4, left, 5, 6, 7 and 8, pivot 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, Lindy 1 and 2, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. And you start the dance over. That is no parking on the dance floor. So, guys, let me check this out. So a lot of the dances that I teach, I've seen they've been taught on the YouTube channel already. But instructors, I like to teach it anyway, just to give you an idea of the way that I'm teaching, the way that I'm breaking it down, so you can relay that information to your students, okay? Let your students know how to count, teach them how to count, give them that terminology, because as they dance and they progress in their dancing, the longer they're dancing, you can do that count, they understand. Also, they'll start learning how to count, and also just cueing and calling out the terminology, they'll pick it up, okay? So breaking down these dances is not only for the students that's trying to learn to dance, and also for you instructors. This is exactly how I teach it in my class, okay? So my name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.